The service does wrapping of several NFTs of the ERC-721 standard in one transaction. Access to the service is granted with the subscription to be purchased. To create wrapped NFT, the limitations and locks should be defined: transfer lock, unwrapping schedule, collateral vesting, and others. The combination of transfer and unwrapping locks leads to soul-bound token creation. The service creates wrapped tokens of two standards, ERC-721 and ERC-1155. The service sets commissions for wrapped NFT in ERC-20 tokens. The list of recipients of wrapped NFT should be specified, as well as the list of original NFT needed to be wrapped. ERC-20 tokens or native tokens as security could be put in each wrapped NFT. The distribution of the commission charged for the transfer could be set up as the multi-royalty mechanism. Let's buy a subscription. The form shows the buyer's address as the address of the recipient of the subscription. It could be another address if the subscription is purchased for someone else. The tariff is to be chosen. There are plans to use the service for a certain period of time of a certain number of times. Sufficient amount of ERC-20 tokens is required to purchase the subscription. Purchase subscription is a wrapped NFT with ERC-20 tokens locked in. Blocking period is according to the chosen tariff plan. The owner of the wrapped NFT is the holder of the subscription. The tariff plan is chosen. Confirmation of the transaction to permit ERC-20 tokens to purchase a subscription. Confirmation of the transaction to purchase the subscription according to the tariff plan. The subscription is activated. Let's check the transaction. Wrapped NFT with number 43 has been created. There is an ERC-20 blocked token inside it according to the tariff plan. Let's wrap something in with soft application. There are options to wrap the original NFT. Original NFT are minted on envelope minting platform. Original NFT are minted on the outside minting platform. Wrap the emptiness without original NFT that is minted on envelope minting platform. Mint NFT, add a media file, specify the name and description. Add a property and a value to be stored in the metadata. Choose the type of NFT we want to mint, in this case ERC-721. Specify the number of NFTs to mint within one transaction. All of them will have the same picture. Metadata is stored on the Swarm blockchain. Confirmation of the minting transaction in the MetaMask. NFTs with ID 100 and 101 are created. Let's check the NFTs in the Core Envelopes application on the dashboard and the section Discovered. Switching from minting platform to soft application. Envelope contract address is inserted by default in the original NFT contract address field. Specify wrap NFT blocking period. Let's choose the standard for the created wrapped NFT as of ERC-721. The list of wrapped NFTs recipient addresses as well as token IDs can be loaded from a file. The data in the file is separated by a semicolon. Or to add data manually. Let's add some Ethereum as collateral for each wrapped NFT. Wrap. 2 wrapped NFTs will be created for one transaction. There is a permission to use tokens of the original NFT contract for self-contract. Therefore, this step is skipped. Confirm the wrapping transaction in the MetaMask. The transaction has been confirmed. Let's check the transaction. Verify on the dashboard in Envelope application that the recipients have received wrapped NFT. Check both recipients and they have wrapped NFTs with ID 44 and 45.